Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can remove those annoying suggested pages on Facebook in 2025. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to open Facebook. Once you open the Facebook, then you scroll through your newsfeed until you see suggested pages or suggested posts that you don't want to see. Now you just need to click on hide suggestions. Like, look at the three dots, you will get to see, like when you will scroll down, you will able to see this kind of a three dots. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, then you will get the option for hide all from Maruf. If you click over here, it will be hidden for you. You won't see post from Maruf in your feed. So in this way you can remove suggested posts or suggested pages. If it says no suggestions or manage your feed, click that. You can just adjust what Facebook shows you. So now let's talk about the manage preference. For more control, tap the menu icon and go to the setting and privacy and setting and look for feed preference. Like here, you just need to go over here and click to the setting and privacy and then go to the setting and look for feed preference. So here you will find out the feed preference. So let's say, where is the feed preference? So let's scroll down and let's find it out. If not, then go to the say more options, and here I hope you will find out the options. So if not, then the option is not available here. You can search here feed and you will find out the option feed preference. So it is not available here, but if you get the option, then you can manage favorites or unfollow pages and people you don't want content from. This reduce random suggestion in your feed. And that's it for today. That's how you remove suggested pages on Facebook quickly and easy. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know the comment what Facebook tip you would like next. Thanks for watching.